Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on Robinhood. Let's get straight into the video. So the first step is to access stock detail page, and you can do that by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then just type the ticker symbol or company name in the search bar, and you want to tap on the stock to view its detailed page. Now to set up a price alert, that's step 2. Just on the stock detail page, tap the alert button, and then you want to choose from price, news, or dividend alerts, and then just enter the price at which you want to receive an alert, and select from above, below, or equal to the set price. Then step 3, you can customize your alert settings. So choose from once, daily, or weekly alerts. You can also choose from push notifications, email, or in-app notifications. And then you can add a custom message to your alerts if you want to do that. Now the fourth step is to confirm your alert settings. So just ensure the stock, the price, conditions, and frequency are all correct, and you want to tap confirm to set up the price alert. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up price alerts on Robinhood. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.